Hi, good morning, all. So, in the transformation level, we have in six rule types that we will see practically how it works individually. Before going to like now, we need to create one target system, target object that it has to support for all the rule types. Okay, I'm copying this one. So like this, I'm copying and creating. Same structure will come. So extra I added only list fiscal variant and I want to cover total as well. Okay, and also I will add metal group or metal type. See, this is how we will create the transformation. Here you can see it, okay. I'm mapping posting date to calendar year, posting date to calendar month as well. And the fiscal year will be always constant. Okay, in the real time also it will be constant. So I'm going to give here constant K4. Okay, in the real time also you will have to give K4. Okay, if it is a US project, if it is a Europe project, we have to give K4. If it is a India project, we need to give V3. That is standard. Okay. Now, here I mapped amount and quantity to total. Okay. Here I'm selecting the rule type is firm. Okay. To cover all the scenarios, I have checked. I'm doing it like this. Okay. So which scenario exactly you will use? Okay. You will come to know all these options. Okay. Now cover, right? So now, okay. Now see, this is direct assignment. Okay. This is constant. This is formula. Now we'll see this one. I'm taking this one, read master data. Let me take material. Okay, here we need to take, see, like this you need to do in the real time as well. Here we need to select the source object is material. Okay, in the material, already material type is there in the material object. Okay, how it will be, I will show you. Okay, go to new tab, RSD1. Okay, I will enter material. Okay, here go to material type. Okay, attributes. Go to attributes. Now you can see material type where it is. Material type. Do we have material type here? We see properly will identify it. You can see right this one material type. Okay. So this whatever we have values that I am trying to get it. And you can go here and you can go here P material. You can go here. Okay. Where is the material type here? Here I have a material type here. Okay, here we have a materials. Okay, if it is these same materials will come, then okay, we will get the material type here. Okay, so I'm doing like this. Okay, read master data. This is the read master data. I'm doing it. Once you do, then it will come like this. Okay, Now you can go here, material also. Okay, then it will take it up. See here, what is the option here? It will show material only. It is reading for material only. It will update material type. Our field is material type only. We are reading from zero material master data. From there, it is reading from the P table. Whenever we create, whenever we create material, so the table will generate a P material table. From there, it is reading it. That is called read master data. The option is read master data. For this field, this is target field, material type. Okay, it is reading from the material. In the material already we have a field, this one, first field, material type. So our whatever we are loading, from where this data source to this DSO we are loading, right? The material is matching. Okay, material is matching with this P table. Then it will update the material type. If data is not matching, then it will not update. Okay. Okay. If you want to do material group also, you can update. Okay, later we'll see. Okay. Now we covered for how it is working, we'll see. This is no transformation. Okay. One is pending routine. That we'll see later. Okay. Okay. Now you created successfully. See, once you create transformation, automatically folder is created, data transfer process. Otherwise, it will not create it. Initially we don't have anything. Once create a transformation automatically, because these two are interdependent. Without transformation, we cannot create DTP. I'm loading now. From where it will bring the data. I'm loading now. See here. This is the data source. This is the DSO. Okay. This is source system. Okay. GGDS underscore TD. This is the data source. Okay. When I execute, from where it will bring the data? Tell me. From where to where it is loading?
DTP to unbolt table.
Sorry?
Data transfer process to unbound table.
Inbound table. No,
Inbound table, yeah.
that is
Uh,
correct. But from where to where it is loading?
Data source to target.
So you cannot, don't say data source. Okay. PSA
Hmm.
to target. PSA to target.
CSA to target, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So data will not store in data source level. It will be in the PSA. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. See here. PSA to data target. Data is loading. Okay, now how many records are inserted, bro? So here 25 records are inserted. Okay, real time your name would be there here. Okay, your name would be there. And from where this record from where it is coming? So 93472, 93472. How you will identify 93472? This is the source, this is the target. In the source level, we have 93472. From there it is bringing. I am clicking on source. Remember this 93472 and go to here, this option manage PSA, and how many records are there? 93472. From here, from this request only bringing the data, okay? 93472. If you have a list of 100, okay, 100 requests will come to BW. 100 request it will display here, okay? Like this. Here only it will display 100 requests. Okay, as of now, it will have only one request in the PSA level. From there, it will bringing the 25 records. Okay. From source to target. This is the source, data source. Okay. Data will store into the PSA. Whenever we create data source, automatically PSA will generate in the backend. Whenever we create data source, this data source, automatically it will generate the PSA in the backend. Okay. And then go to target. Okay. Now, I loaded to DSO. Initially, data will store which table? Just now we loaded data into DSO. Which table it will store initially?
Inbound table.
Yes, yes. Data will store into the inbound table. Okay.
Mm.
Go to content. If you want to see the data, here you can see. Okay, new data means new data, inbound table, both are same. New data. If you click here, now I can see three fields, 25 records. Okay, three fields will be added automatically. In the inbound table, three fields will be added automatically. This is the request, right? 97693. This is the request. We loaded. And data packet number one, record number 1, 2, 3, like till 25. Okay. So automatically, that is why it is in the gray color. These are the keys. Okay. Automatically, it will add in the inbound table. Now you can see in the inbound table, what is the constant? This is only right constant. This is only constant. I give and see what is happened. For all the record, it is making as a K4. How many records are there? All the records, it will making 0. So material type, why it is blank? The condition is not meet. Condition is not met. Why meet? What is the material? See, material is here we having M25, M1, M2, M3 like that we have material. In the material level, so here P109 R1180, this we have it. Then it will not matching, right? The material is not matching. Then why it will update? It will not update, right? Whenever material is matching, then only it will update the material type. Okay. So the read master data is not working in this case. So material group 1 is, we didn't map it. This is blank. So that is the way it is blank. Clear, this one. And the total product cost, what we did? Okay, amount into quantity we did. How much it will come? 1000 into 10, how much it will come? 10,000. 2000 into 20, how much it will come? So this is correctly calculating, right? Okay, formula also you clear, right? Amount and quantity. Is it calculating correctly? Okay, so calendar year, posting date we map it to calendar day, calendar year, month. Okay, this characteristic we given time characteristic. Automatically it will generate it. Okay, and okay, and then we'll see. Okay, the why it is not updating material type. Okay, that we need to maintain in the PSA level 1 material same like that. Then we will populate it. We'll see next level. Okay, initially it is storing into the inbound table. So, okay, here select and activate. Once I do activation in the DSO level, what will happen? Data will move from which table to which table?
Inbound table to active table.
Very good. So data will move from inbound table to active table, change log table parallelly. Okay. Not only active table, it will move from inbound table to active table, change log table, both. And what will happen in the inbound table? Still 25 records will be there or deleting. So it will delete
Deleted.
automatically in the new table and it will move to the parallelly active table, change table. Okay. That is the concept. Even in ADS also same. Okay. Now we go content and we'll see in the new table. So still we don't have any records because already moved to the active table change log table. Now you can go to the change log table and you can see, okay, 25 records are there. Yes, we had. Okay, in the change log table also three fields will join. Okay, automatically will add technical objects. You can go to active table. Here we don't see any new fields. System fields will not see it. Okay. Now you can see still there. Okay. K4 and total product. Material type not coming. We'll see. Okay. Okay. Now you clear, right? So how transformation rules are working. So we have used direct assignment. Direct assignments means equal. Okay. Equal symbol. Okay, constant means nothing. Constant means nothing. We didn't keep anything. Okay, can go there. Here, if you select a constant like this, okay, this is constant. The option is like no, like a gray color would be the rule type. Okay, so we given K4. So for every record, for example, in the source level, you have a 1 million records. For 1 million records, it will show K4 only. Okay, you clear, right? So this one, constant. In the real-time fiscal variant will give same for the US project or Europe. If it is a India project, we'll give V3. Okay. And you can see this is amount. This is formula we given. So I will remove this and I will keep it like routine also. We'll see that one. Okay, this is read master data we kept it. Okay, almost five are covered. This I didn't map it. So I didn't map it, so no transformation is happening. Total how many? No transformation, constant, direct assignment, we all see formula. Read master data also. But read master data, we don't have any values. Okay, I will do that. Okay, and routine pending, we'll see. When we don't map it, okay, in source field, we don't have it. Okay, in the source level, we don't have, right, metal group. In the source level, we don't have metal group. Okay, metal group available in the metal master data level. Metal group available in the metal master data level. You can see metal type, metal group. Okay, in the metal master data level. That is I'm reading. Reading for master data. The name itself reading master data. Okay, read master data. So now what I will do, go back, go back. In the PSA level, I will maintain the same value. In the PSA level, I'll maintain it. Okay, go back. And is it possible to maintain without deleting in the target level? We'll see. Okay, I'm trying to maintain it. So I don't have options like no to edit it. See here, data selection. There is no pencil option here. You observe it because we loaded data from source to target. So it will not allow me to okay edit the data in the PSA level. This is currently like no, you can see PSA. I'm unable to edit the data in the PSA level. So in the real time also same. Okay. So let me delete. So right click and I'm deleting the data. Don't do this one. If you delete, total object will be deleting. If you delete data, see this means it will delete the data in the DSO level. See, do you want to delete the content of data target? Yes. We are saying like no content, whatever we have content in the DSO level that we are deleting. If we go and check in the manage level, we don't see any content. Okay, now you can try. Oh, it will allow to okay man change or not, we'll see. Okay, still I'm not getting because same data source is mapped to other data target as well. There also we need to delete it. So where it is, we copied from here only, right? Let me delete here also, then it will allow you. I copied from 16 to 17, right? The data already loaded to 16. So that is the way. So in the target should not update their same data, PSA data. We need to drop it and then we can, okay, and then, okay, do we have data in the 16? Let me check. Okay, why? Actually. Don't know why it is canceling. Okay, so from here it is deleting. Refresh. Okay, I'm selecting this and I'm deleting it. So like this, we need to delete, okay, slowly. In the real time, it will delete, but don't know why it is happening. Okay, now I will right click this data source and go to manage and I'm changing. Okay, okay. So now we'll get option or not, we'll see. See, still I don't get it. Still somewhere it is updating. Same data source. If you go to here, it will also show you from where it is loading. So if you go here and it will show you where exactly data is available. Okay, you can delete here also. You can delete it. ZDSO 15 also there. Okay. So once you delete, then you can able to change it. Okay, go here. Okay, still not coming. Okay, we'll see. Okay. Now we can see it. Okay. Now it is updated. Huh? No. Before we having like no content, this option tick mark came. Now we don't see any kind. Okay, that option. We'll see. Let me refresh because we dropped the data that might be system also will not identify. Where is 15? Okay. If you are using same data, same flow, then it will not allow you to like no to edit the data. Okay, now we'll see here the option will not come until like no getting the pencil button. Now I can able to get this pencil button. In the earlier it won't, it's not. Why? Because same data source. My what is the data source name? Judged DS. Okay, same data source. Same data source. We are using to multiple targets. ZDSO 16. Okay. Okay. ZDSO 15. Okay. Now we are using ZDSO 17. So same data source, same request 96423. Okay. It is updated to different targets. So we need to drop data into three targets. Otherwise, no, we cannot able to change it. In the real time also same. So now after deleting, I can able to change it. I can see it. Okay, let me do it. Okay. Now I want to change only material. Okay, what is the material in the read master data level? Here I will give P19. I will give P19, okay? Because I want to update the read master data property. Okay. Okay, I edited only two values and it has to update the material type for only two. I don't have any material type in the source. Okay, we are just doing in the source, we are just doing in the target level, read master data. Okay, after edit the data and we have to save it and go back. So there is no tick mark. So once we load data to target, we can able to see the target tick mark. Now I'm loading to G17 and I can let me execute DTP, and once execute, now you can see the tick mark. Once it is updated, you can see the tick mark. So now 25 records are came. Now go and see, check it. Go and check it. The tick mark came or not, you can see. Once it is, the tick mark will come. It has to update, okay? If you give some time, it will update it. Tick mark will come, okay? Once it is updated. Go here. Now initially data will be in the new table, okay? Inbound table. Inbound table data will be. Now go to content and I'm going to new table. So execute it. Is it updated or not? Material type. It came right. Understood this concept. Any issue? Okay. Are you understood? Are you clear? So I'm loading from source material. Same kind of whatever we have in the material level. Okay. If it is matching material in the source level, we are loading to DSO, right? From data source to DSO. I modified same materials. So in this P material also, material type having yes, no. P109 having yes. Here, yes, material type. We are reading material type from the master data. Whenever material is matching, then it will update material type. Material is not matching, then it will not update. Clear, right? This is called read master data. We are reading the master data for material type from the zero material. Clear? So
Yes,
yeah, even lookup code also we will do same like that. Okay, through code in routine we will update the same like this, and even read master data will work without material without ABAP code. So read master data and ABAP code both will work same. So for the read master data we are not writing code. SAP only will write it in backend. Okay, clear, right? This one how it is updating read master data. And if you want to update here also, you have to change it. You have to change it, this material as well. Where in the PSA level we need to map it, change it. In the PSA level we need to change it. Others. Okay, this is how read master data it is working.
Anna,
Yeah.
in real time, what is the use of read master data, Anna?
Yes, let me clear your query. What is the use of read master data? Oh,
In real time?
no, real time or this is real time only. Currently we are discussing same only. See here. Okay, this is a source. Example. This is a source. Okay, this is the target. This is target. Okay. Here we have a material. Here we have a material. Here we have a material. So you map it. From here to here, you map it, direct assignment. Okay. Now here I having material type. Material type. I have a material type. So in the source level, I don't have material type. In the source level, I don't have material type. How can I map?